How does UCAS work? UCAS is the Universities and Colleges Admissions Service. They provide an impartial service that enables you to apply to universities, performing arts colleges and conservatoires in the UK. You apply by filling out a form at ucas.com, which allows you to apply to a maximum of 5 institutions. The good news is that you only complete the form once, and it will be sent to all the universities you selected. The form is broken down into different sections, covering your contact information, academic history, and a personal statement that enables you to outline your passion and enthusiasm for the subject you want to study. Your application also needs to include a reference from someone who knows you well and can talk about your suitability for the subject you want to study, such as a teacher, school, or college. You will need to pay a fee to UCAS to submit your application. Once submitted, you can follow its progress on UCAS Track. Applications open on September the 1st for entry the following September. Most courses have an application deadline of January the 15th, but if there are places left on the course, you can still apply up to June the 30th. After this date, your application will become part of the clearing process. If you're applying through clearing, your process for applying will be slightly different. Good luck with your application, and for more information, visit our website.